Good morning, everyone. I'm Jomayer, and this is my talk two for this presentation. Today I will introduce the paper of Chang in the Agulhas Return Current. And first, I will introduce the WBC. The WBC is abbreviation for Western Boundary Current, and it have 5 basin current in here, and Corrosion Current, East Australian Current, Gulf Stream, and Brazil Current, and Agulhas Current. Each of them transport the warm water of tropical area into subtropical region. And the Agulhas Current is here. Now we started our introduction on Agulhas Current. This picture is the satellite measure sea surface height. And the current flows along the east coast of South Africa. And this has a unique phenomenon named the retroflexion. Because of the retroflexion, the flow from north to south and turn left into the South Indian subtropical region. Here the orange line shows the ARC. The ARC is the Agulhas Return Current. This is the hypothesis. Where hypothesis is the Agulhas current is not getting intensified instead of becoming large by mesoscale activities. And we know the global ocean circulation are intensifying and migrating forward by different manners. Later, we have 2 examples for different manners. This is the example 1. Example 1 is the East Australia current. The green line shows the East Australia current have a penetration phenomena for southward, and it has increased over the last half century. The point is to move to the southward. And this is the example 2. Here is the Brazil Marvelous Confluence. It's flow up to here, and it has migrated southward at the rate of 0.6 degree per decade between 1992 to 2007. And it also moved down to southward. The research purpose. We want to find the factors for ARC for unique paths different from another current in WBC. According by sea surface height field data, we identify the long-term average of ARC paths and its trends. Here is the research method. We want to observe the ARC paths in 1993 to 2019. We use some technique skills on monitoring the Agulhas return current for 27 years. And here is the first tool for this research, ADCP, the Acoustic Doppler Current Profiler. It can measure the velocity of the seawater. Here shows the sea floor here. And the second tool is the Grady Satellite Altimeter. This research used the 11 kinds of satellite altimeters to collect the sea surface height data. And there are three types satellite altimeters under here. And this picture shows the basic ARC path. The black line shows in this figure is monitored by the ADCP. And we want to find the point of maximum sea surface height gradient along each longitude line on the grid. Let's talk about the result one. We put the basic picture right here, and we comparison with the result one. We can see these two squares to compare with these two squares, and here is the it's the average poleward migration of 0.015 degree per year, and it shows the larger than the other western boundary current extensions. And the result too. Here shows the waveform, and T1, T2, T3. T means source, and C1, C2. C means crest. The ARC path shows a significant flow in the migration of the current, and the west region from 20 to 48 degrees of the ARC tend to be migrating equationward at the rate of 0.021 degrees latitude per year. It shows this picture is migrating to the equation toward. And here, the 48 to 65 is migrating forward at a rate of 0.015 degree latitude per year. And here is the result 3. We mark the 4 places in the dark one. Here is the Agulhas Plateaus, and this is the Chang rise. And here is the SWIR. SWIR is the West West Indian region. And here is the Kerguelen Islands. And 4 different places shows the regional seafloor. This is my conclusion. This presentation shows the ARC migration in the world, and because of the global warming or the ice melting, we based on the result in this research. We found that all the WBC currents are expanded to southward every year, but they have different factors and different velocities on each current. Velocity based on the ADCP tool, and the research proved that majority of the length of the ARC current is migrating forward. The eastern and western parts of the current actually shows opposite trend. Means the western part of the current is migrating to the equation toward, and the east current shows that is migration to the pole southward every year. Okay. Thank you for listening.
Okay, I see you add some map and you explain some proper noun this time. This is good, but a little too short. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. I think you add some mark in your figure, and it's clear to see what you are talking about. Thank you.